Hey everyone, looking for the top 6 noise canceling headphones of 2025. Whether you're working, traveling, or just want to enjoy pure, uninterrupted sound, we've got the best picks for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Now let's get started. Number 6, the Bowers & Wilkins PX8 stands out as a premium choice that delivers exceptional audio performance and luxurious comfort. After extensive testing, it's clear that the PX8 not only meets but exceeds expectations, offering an impressive combination of sound quality, build design, and advanced features that make it a top contender in the crowded headphone market. One of the standout features of the PX8 is its remarkable sound quality. Equipped with custom 40mm drivers and high-resolution audio capabilities, these headphones provide a rich and immersive listening experience. Whether you're enjoying classical music, rock, or the latest pop hits, the PX8 delivers clear highs, detailed mids, and deep resonant bass that brings your favorite tracks to life. The adaptive noise cancellation feature effectively blocks out ambient noise, allowing listeners to focus solely on the music without distractions. Comfort is another area where the PX8 excels. The plush ear cushions and adjustable headband ensure a snug fit, making them perfect for long listening sessions. Whether you're on a long flight or simply relaxing at home, the PX8 provides a comfortable experience without compromising on sound quality. In terms of design, the Bowers & Wilkins PX8 boasts an elegant and sophisticated aesthetic. The combination of premium materials such as leather and aluminum not only enhances the look but also adds to the durability of the headphones. The intuitive touch controls make it easy to manage your music and calls, offering a seamless user experience. Number 5, the Sennheiser Accentum Plus stands out as a remarkable choice for both casual listeners and audiophiles alike. Designed with comfort and performance in mind, these wireless headphones cater to a wide range of listening preferences, making them perfect for daily use, whether at home, in the office, or on the go. One of the most striking features of the Accentum Plus is its exceptional sound quality. The headphones deliver a balanced and rich audio profile, with crisp highs, detailed mids, and robust lows that ensure an immersive listening experience. Whether you're enjoying your favorite playlist, listening to podcasts, or watching movies, the clarity and depth of the sound will not disappoint. Comfort is another area where the Accentum Plus really shines. The ear cups are plush and ergonomically designed, allowing for long listening sessions without discomfort. The adjustable headband also ensures a snug fit, making these headphones suitable for various head sizes. Plus, the lightweight design means you can wear them for hours on end without feeling weighed down. Battery life is a critical aspect of any wireless headphone, and the Accentum Plus excels here as well. With impressive battery longevity, you can enjoy up to 30 hours of playback on a single charge, meaning fewer interruptions in your listening experience. The quick charge feature is an added bonus, giving you hours of use from just a short charging session. Number 4, the JBL Live 770 NC headphones are a remarkable blend of style, comfort, and high-quality sound, making them a standout choice for music lovers and casual listeners alike. After extensive testing, it's clear that these wireless over-ear headphones deliver exceptional performance in both everyday use and during travel. One of the most impressive features of the JBL Live 770 NC is their active noise cancellation, ANC, technology. Whether you're on a crowded subway or working in a bustling cafe, the ANC effectively blocks out ambient noise, allowing you to immerse yourself fully in your music or podcasts. Additionally, the Ambient Aware feature lets you stay aware of your surroundings without removing the headphones, a thoughtful touch for urban commuters. Sound quality is where the JBL Live 770 NC truly shines. The headphones produce a balanced audio profile with deep bass, clear mids, and crisp highs. Whether you're listening to your favorite tracks, watching a movie, or making calls, the sound remains consistent and impressive. The customizable EQ settings via the JBL Headphones app further enhance the listening experience, allowing you to tailor the sound to your personal preference. Comfort is another strong point for the Live 770 NC. The plush ear cups and adjustable headband ensure a snug fit, making them suitable for extended wear without discomfort. Whether you're using them for a quick workout or a long flight, you're likely to forget you're even wearing them. Battery life is exceptional as well, with up to 35 hours of playtime. Number 3. The Bose 700 headphones have set a new standard for wireless listening, combining exceptional audio quality with industry-leading noise cancellation. After thorough testing in various environments, it's clear that these headphones excel in both performance and comfort. One of the standout features of the Bose 700 is its adaptive noise cancellation technology. With 11 levels of noise cancellation, users can tailor their listening experience to perfectly fit their surroundings, whether you're in a bustling cafe or a quiet home office. The clarity of sound is remarkable, providing a balanced audio profile that enhances both music and conversations. Comfort is another area where the Bose 700 shines. The plush ear cushions and lightweight design allow for long listening sessions without discomfort. They fit snugly but not too tightly, making them perfect for extended use, whether you're working, traveling, or simply enjoying your favorite playlist. The touch-sensitive controls on the ear cups are intuitive and responsive. They allow for seamless management of music and calls, making it easy to adjust volume, skip tracks, or take calls without fumbling for your device. Battery life is impressive as well, offering up to 20 hours of wireless playback on a single charge. And when you need a quick boost, a 15-minute charge provides up to 2.5 hours of playtime, making it convenient for those on the go. The Bose 700 headphones are a top choice for anyone seeking premium sound quality, outstanding noise cancellation, and comfort. Whether you're a music lover, Number 2, the focal Bathys wireless headphones stand out as a remarkable option. After extensive testing, we found that these headphones not only deliver exceptional audio quality, but also offer a range of features that enhance the listening experience. The focal Bathys impresses with its rich, detailed sound profile, thanks to its high-resolution drivers. Whether you're listening to classical music or modern pop, the clarity and depth of the audio will leave you captivated. The bass response is powerful yet well-controlled, providing a balanced sound that doesn't overwhelm the mids and highs. This makes them ideal for any genre, making your listening experience truly immersive. Comfort is another highlight of the Bathys. Weighing in at a modest amount and designed with plush ear cups, they provide a snug yet comfortable fit, allowing for extended listening sessions without discomfort. The adjustable headband ensures a personalized fit, catering to different head sizes. Battery life is stellar, with the focal Bathys offering up to 30 hours of playback time on a single charge. This means you can enjoy your favorite tunes or podcasts without the constant worry of needing to recharge. Plus, the fast charging capability is a game-changer for those on the go, giving you hours of use with just a short charge. In terms of functionality, the Bathys headphones come equipped with active noise cancellation, which effectively reduces ambient noise, allowing you to focus on your music or calls. Number 1, the Sony WH-1000XM5 stands out as one of the best options on the market. Building upon the success of its predecessors, the WH-1000XM5 takes the crown with impressive sound quality, advanced noise cancellation, and a sleek design that's both stylish and comfortable. After extensive testing, including comparisons with other high-end models, it's clear that the WH-1000XM5 excels in several key areas. The first thing that strikes you is the audio performance. With its 30mm drivers, these headphones deliver rich, balanced sound across a wide frequency range. Whether you're listening to classical music, rock, or podcasts, the clarity and detail are simply outstanding. The noise cancellation feature is where the WH-1000XM5 truly shines. Equipped with Sony's advanced noise-canceling technology, it effectively blocks out ambient sounds, making it perfect for travel, commuting, or simply enjoying your favorite tunes in peace. The adaptive sound control intelligently adjusts the noise canceling based on your environment, ensuring an optimal listening experience in any situation. Comfort is another standout feature of the WH-1000XM5. The plush ear cups and lightweight design make them ideal for long listening sessions without causing fatigue. The intuitive touch controls are easy to use, allowing users to adjust volume, skip tracks, and take calls effortlessly. Battery life is impressive as well, offering up to 30 hours of playback with noise canceling activated.